Alright, welcome back everyone to another episode of Blue Jay Gamers Scratch Tutorial. Today we're going to be going over the Events tab, and it might be a bit of a shorter episode because there's not that many blocks to go through, but let's get going. Okay, so the win flag is clicked. That signifies right here, this flag right here. So whenever you click that flag, it's going to start your code. Okay, so let's go just to show you what it's going to do. So when flag is clicked, it's going to go to X position 0 and Y position 0. Alright, there we go. That's simple enough. Alright, when space key is pressed, that's a little different. Let's move some stuff around. Okay, when you can click the arrow here, you can set it to any key you want. So if I say press G, it's going to go there. If I say press the down arrow, it's going to go to X position 0, Y position 0. Okay, that's simple enough. Let's keep the 0, 0, I like it. When this sprite is clicked, so that's all different. Whichever sprite you've placed this code on, when you click your sprite, it's going to go to X position 0, Y position 0. That applies for any sprite that you throw it under or on. When backdrop switches to backdrop, let's make a new backdrop just to show you. Let's paint a new one. Let's make it red. Okay. Now from here, when backdrop switches, let's have some fun with this. We're gonna do a couple things. So when the flag is clicked, you're gonna switch to backdrop 2, and I'm gonna throw in a wait command. I'll probably go into this again in another episode, but that's obvious enough. You wait 1 second before the code goes through. But all right, here we go. So we're gonna click it. It's gonna. Oh wait. Sorry about this. I gotta switch it back to backdrop 1. Put back there. Now if I put him over here, now if I hit the flag, it's gonna switch to backdrop 2. Wait 1 second, and because now that this is backdrop 2, this code here is going to recognize that backdrop is on backdrop 2 instead of 1. So then when that happens, it's gonna wait 1 second and throw your sprite to the X and Y position of your choosing. Okay, next up, let's get these out of here. When loudness is greater than, or timer or video motion, you can set any of these. I haven't gone into anything video or recording related through this specifically. Yeah, so I'm gonna skip through the video motion bit, but your loudness, that'll be in sound. If your volume, if you change your volume, if you go to change volume by 20, alright, I hope this works. I haven't actually tried this before. Okay, ready? What? Whoa. Something's buggering out. Let me just take a second to fix it. Okay, so I figured out what the problem was. It was just that my volume was over 10 constantly, I think. I don't know, but if you see here, my stop sign and my flag sign keep switching, and this is the only code I have on. So let's see if I take that out. Yeah. Let's switch it over to timer. So you get the idea, right? When your volume is greater than a certain number, it should do what you're telling it to. Okay, so timer, I believe timer is in your sensing. Yeah, timer here. I'll go into that into a later episode. Maybe I'll bring back this, but the idea is when one of the set blocks of code that you have is it's basically a variable within itself. When it's greater than a certain number is when it's going to start your line of code. Now this is my favorite and probably most used code in Scratch. When I receive certain messages and broadcasting certain messages. This broadcast and wait, I don't really use it because I don't know what it's waiting for. I'm probably gonna figure it out at some point, but in the meantime I just use when I receive this message and broadcast. So what we're gonna do is when flag is clicked, broadcast message 1. You can change this by adding a new message if you want. Here, I'll do this just to show you. Test. Now let's duplicate our sprite. And let's get this out of here. When I receive test broadcast new message, we'll call it test2, and 1 second here. When I receive test2, go to here. So let's just throw them in weird spots and go over here. And if it wants to, oh my god, touchscreen to the rescue. Okay, flag clicked, and that didn't work. Oh no, it did. It worked. Okay, ready? We're gonna do this again. That's really fast, so I'm gonna use a wait command. Okay, so basically what's going on is I click this flag,